Hey tech friends, welcome back into tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn on color filter in Messenger. So in this, I will guide you on the easiest and step-by-step process to turn on color filter in Messenger. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your Messenger application on mobile device. So after opening that application, now you can see at the down menu bar. So tap on this menu. Inside that, now you can see a setting option is there. Tap on setting. Inside setting, you have to scroll it. Yeah, now you can see here accessibility option is there. Tap on this. Inside that, now you can see here one option as a color filter. So tap on this. Yeah, now you can see here you will be getting different option like blue, red, green, everything. So you can see here. If you will tap on this, then now you can see here it's customizing your their profile also here. If you will tell red, then also it's changing something like this. See, you can see the color changing now here. So in this way you can turn on that color filter in Messenger. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.